Content marketing, it's the gift that keeps on giving, coming up. So content marketing, why is it the gift that keeps on giving? Well, it is because it keeps generating views for you as a business. Let me explain what I mean here. If you create a really nice video on YouTube, or maybe you create a nice piece of content on your website, maybe it's a blog post, or maybe it's a nice page that you've designed on your website, if it's ranking high on Google, it's going to continue to gain views for you as a business. So compare this to advertising. With advertising, you're going to get a lot of views up front, but then you're not going to receive more views once your budget runs out. With content marketing, it keeps generating views over and over again for a long time into the future. Let's take a look at an example. Here's a video I created in July 2017. It's been viewed over 400,000 times at the time of shooting this video. 2.5 years after posting the video, it's still generating 10,000 views a month. So that's pretty impressive, right? 10,000 views per month. This video is still generating that for us as a business that I created 2.5 years ago. And so it's unbelievable. Over 400,000 people have seen this video, and it's all because of content marketing. Let's take a look at an example of how this would perform over time compared to paid advertising. So let's compare that to running a paid ad. A paid ad of around $5,000 would generate you approximately 50,000 views if you're lucky. Then, once the ad budget runs out, all the views would just stop. But if you invested $5,000 in a really nice, well-optimized video like I created, you would start with only a small number of views, and it would take much longer to reach 50,000 views, but eventually it would pass that, and it would continue to ramp up well beyond and just keep on going. All in all, the return on investment with content marketing versus paid advertising is just so much better. It's slower to ramp up, but then it's much, much better in the long term. So the question is, which one should you choose? Well, I'd actually recommend both. I think you should invest great time and effort and resources into developing really great high quality content that you can optimize and you can promote organically. But I would also encourage you, if you have enough budget, to also invest in some promotion of that content through paid advertising. Give it a little boost, build some momentum behind the content so it can build its views faster, and then let it, the organic piece of it, just keep propelling it forward thereafter. That's the strategy I'd recommend. But if you want to look for ideas for your business for content marketing, you're not quite sure, how to tackle it, give us a call, talk to one of our marketing consultants. We'd be happy to help you out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps you better understand the value of content marketing, and while it may not give you a return right away, it gives you a better return long term. So if you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have other ideas around content marketing that you think would be useful to the marketing community. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and happy marketing.